Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily on iPhone after the latest update. So if you want to deactivate your account, or I want to have a break from the Facebook and you want to deactivate it for some time, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store you have to simply search for the Facebook, and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Facebook, and here after opening you have to simply click on profile, and after clicking on profile you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do next is you have to simply click on account center here, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply click on personal details. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on account ownership and control, and there will be two options available. So first one is memorization and second one is deactivation or deletion. So you have to simply click on that, and you have to simply select the account you want to deactivate. So here is written you can only deactivate your account once in a week. So you have to make sure that your account is temporary, and you after that you can simply log in back to your account, and your account will be reactivated again. So you have to simply click on that. You have to simply click on continue, and after that, if you have page related to your profile, that page will also be deactivated. So you have to make sure about that. And after that you have to simply click on continue again, and you have to simply provide here the password. And after providing the password, you have to simply click on continue, and after clicking on continue you will be provide the reason why you want to deactivate your account. So you have to simply click on continue, and after that they will tell you detail, and you have to simply click on continue again. And after that there is option available that whether you want to deactivate your messenger. So previously there was option available. So if you do not want to deactivate, you have to simply click on that option, so that your messenger will be active. So in this way you can simply deactivate your account. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.